DIRAK's more than just a hardware company. DIRAK's what you get from decades of experience building personal customer relationships, providing unparalleled technical support, and designing pioneering access control hardware for critical infrastructure applications. At DIRAK, we never stop working for our customers, from our technical support to our product assembly, from our warehouse team to our sales team. We focus on outstanding service in all areas of business.
So DIRAK is a technical leader in enclosure hardware because we put ourselves not only in our customers' shoes, but in their customers' shoes as well. This allows us to look beyond the catalog and see an application from all angles to find the best solution.
DIRAK's focus is on providing the best service to our customers down to the smallest detail. We recognize that quality packaging is an important part of this relationship. For years, we have created customer-focused solutions to ensure that your orders are delivered to you with quality and care.
We recognize that our customers have choices within our industry, so we make sure that the overall DIRAK experience is excellent to keep our customers within our family.
Pioneering, precise, personal. That's how DIRAK provides peace of mind.